Prepositions.
Rishabh, bring me the bag on the table. Okay. It is very heavy. It has some mangoes. A fruit seller was selling them near my school. I'm going to the market with my friend. Do you need anything from the market? Yes, please bring me a packet of chips.
In the dialogues, the boy and the girl have used words that tell us about the position of the noun or pronoun in front of which they are placed with another word in the sentence. The words on, inside, near, to, with, from, of are examples of prepositions. Definition. A preposition is a word that is positioned before a noun or a pronoun in a sentence and tells about its relation with another word in the sentence placed nearby. Let us look at a few sentences. The dog jumped over the railing. Tina kept the photographs under her pillow. The book has been written by my friend. In the first sentence, over is a preposition as it is positioned before the noun, railing, and tells its relationship with another noun, dog. In the next sentence, under is a preposition as it comes before the noun pillow and speaks about its relation with another nearby word in the sentence photographs. In the third sentence, by is a preposition as it tells the relation between the book and noun friend before which it is placed. Here is a list of some prepositions. Above, below, into, beyond, at, since, for. Christine's cat was missing.